The floor plate where the battery used to go. Here it is right here. I'm kind of skipping parts, but at any rate, got that off. Uh, Still might use that, don't know. But here we go. That's a grounded to the frame of the bike. And let's keep going. What I'm gonna have to do is come to this side and unbolt the gearbox. Well, I'm saying the gearbox is probably a belt in there going to the back like a bike. You know what I'm saying? And get all that off of there so I can have the access to the motor and take that out of there. Let's do it.